All right, what's up guys? So we're on the road again and we found ourselves in Sarasota, Florida. Now you guys know one of my best friends, Brandon. He is always coming up and he's been in some of the videos in the past and he's always coming up for the Philly Auto Show and things like that. Those of you guys that have been around to see the old Philly Auto Show videos. And he owns a detailing company in Sarasota called Wergs Automotive. So Morgan and I came down, paid him a visit for the week, and today we're at the shop. It's actually 4th of July, and he gave us a little tour of the shop and all that jazz. And I'm gonna give you guys a little walk around real quick. He started cleaning the V. We actually road tripped the V down here, 1,000 miles, and I did the water pump, the starter, and all that good stuff on it. And the car took it like a champ. And it is in desperate need of a deep clean. So right now, I'm in the office. So like when you walk in to the office, this place is so cool looking. It's my first time seeing it in person since he's moved down here, but he has all these limited edition Adams bottles in a case right here. You got the little waiting area, the old PA plate, and then the front desk here. His office is back in there. And then you come around to the showroom. So the showroom is in here. Another desk there. This is what he was saying is when customer cars are completed, they'll pull them in from the detail side and they'll take some pictures in front of the Wergs Automotive sign and present them to the customer. Customers can also come out here. They have like a little refreshment station, and then the Adams display over here, which is really cool. They have all different kinds of Adams products on display, some C-Tech stuff, shout out Turn 14, and all that stuff on display here. Then they got the detail center, which is over here. The detail center is where the magic happens. That's where he's cleaning my car now. So they got a customer vehicle in here. This is where they do all the paint correction stuff and all like the final cleaning. I took over the Bluetooth already, so. And then over here he's been working on, he just started working on my car. He's getting her all cleaned up. I'll come back over here in a sec. So the storage, it's locked. All right, Zach's gonna help me out here. Don't look at that. The storage room, which we got a tour in as well, is where he keeps all the vehicle storage. People can actually pay to keep their car here, and he basically keeps it clean, keeps it prepped, ready to go for whenever they want to come in and take it out for a drive. And there's some pretty cool shit in here. R8 STI or STI swapped wagon or something like that. Viper, cts-v, some C7s, Zach's RX-7, and what is that, Chrysler? Yes, you're in the video now. You're yes, it is. All right, so Zach's Chrysler drag car.
It is a Dodge Daytona, actually.
Oh, it's a Daytona. All right. See, I don't know anything about those cars.
Dodge Daytona.
440, I assume? We're going into like full vehicle rundown here.
All full build breakdown?
Yeah. This is a full-blown drag car. Oh, damn.
528 actually.
All right, so it's a 528 big block, makes around 700 on 110.
Yeah.
Damn.
And we're planning on switching to alcohol at some point.
Okay.
Once we get fully into the car and fully adjusted to it.
That's rad. That's cool. Yeah, I was looking back here. It's like, yeah, it's a full-blown drag car. It's got the chute, all that jazz.
It's just some medium-sized tubby boys.
yeah, just some small tubs almost touching the rear window, but you know,
small.
Yeah.
Small, very small.
Now, have you ran this car yet?
I have not. We've been working all on the trailer.
Oh, okay.
I mean, I've run up and down the street a little bit.
Yeah.
Do some test passes.
Yeah.
But that's about it.
All right, so this car is what actually caught my eye. So this is Zach's other car. LS RX-7, the way all RX-7s should be. Wergs showed me the engine. This is also a drag car. You could tell by the meaty boys back here.
Yeah, I mean, it's the drag car, but she's gonna be the street queen.
Yeah. You know what you should do? You should drift this car.
You know.
And hang on.
Yep.
Most important part.
Yup.
You got the Stansco sticker on there.
Had to. Had to.
But yeah, you should. This is more like you're putting automatic in this thing or a manual in this thing, a little handbrake.
At one point, we had a T56 into it.
Okay.
And then we had the famous Collins CD09 kit. But it didn't work for us. At least we were having some problems figuring some stuff out with the Collins kit. And the T56, when we got it, had the synchros bad in it.
Okay, yeah.
So we weren't gonna pull that apart. That was too much to do, so we just did that.
Yeah.
And we just went to a Turbo 400, but my plans for the near future are possibly go back to a manual, possibly.
Okay.
I gotta figure out what I wanna do with it.
Yeah, this thing's sick. LS1 car. How much power does this make?
400 right now.
Okay, so it's like cam heads.
Cam heads, headers, intake, and throttle body.
Okay, it's like usual LS
Intune.
bolt-ons. Yeah.
Yeah.
This thing's rad.
400, I mean, it's...
I mean, 400 is like plenty of power.
What, 27?
Exactly, yeah.
Pounds,
yeah.
way lighter than what the car that it came in with.
But that's the thing, like
Good.
in the drifting world, like 400 is like, dude, you're good.
Yeah.
Like you don't need like crazy
Oh yeah,
power.
no, I know. I have a buddy with a Z, and he was just going out there. It was like bone stock almost.
Yeah.
And he was just going out there ripping and killing it.
Yeah, yeah. And then I got this Porsche right here, Keats Miata. This is a rad spot. Definitely a cool spot. All right, so I feel like at this point, my car is gonna get like follow through like a whole detail process here. Wergs just power washed my engine bay, I think.
Yeah.
We're gonna
Now
get checked.
he's pulling it out right now.
Oh, all right.
So he
See,
just finished cleaning it.
yeah, you got the process down. My engine bay's never been this clean.
It's not even, so that's like the preliminary cleaning.
All right, because like this is my judge. The power steering pump bracket always had shit all over, and the heads like all down there. Now you can actually see that it's like aluminum and the color of aluminum.
That'll be $100, please.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna head out. Yeah, this is crazy. This shit's never been this clean.
Right, and then what I do is once we let that sit, now it's all blown out, close the hood through the rest of the car, pull it inside, and then we cut the hood again once the car is dry. We go back over with waterless wash, and that's when we get in all the crevices, the creases, all of the rest of this that can come off.
Yeah.
We go back over with the waterless wash.
So did you just power wash it, or did you spray something on it?
Yeah, so we quick power wash it to get all of the initial dirt off of it,
Yeah.
leaves out of everything, and then we hit it with the Adams all-purpose cleaner, sprayed it down, let it sit for a second, went over it with a scrub brush, scrubbed it all down real quick, power washed it all out, and then used the Master Blaster to dry it.
Master Blaster.
Master Blaster. Yeah.
When I was on the radio in college, there was this older dude that used to come in and do a show. His DJ name was the Master Blaster.
There you are.
Yeah. Hell yeah, dude. That was so good.
Right.
Now it kind of like matches the brand new water pump.
Right. Ready? New Adams tail.
Damn. All right. I see you. Yeah, seriously. You just went that. Okay. Oh, but wait, there's more. It'll go further.
Hold on, we're not done yet.
All right, I'm impressed. I'm impressed.
Yeah, this new towel is primo. Definitely, definitely worth every dollar.
All right, give us an intro.
Hi, I'm Mike. I'm the new Wergs Automotive Detail Intern, and I'm gonna clean the windows on this Cadillac. I love it, fire.
Just a whole minute of Mike cleaning.
All right, so I was just saying to Morgan, this is the cleanest this engine bay has ever been, and it's not even like done. And like I thought I've cleaned this engine bay enough, but now that like I see it, I'm like, okay, what have I been wasting my time doing this whole time? So is this waterless wash?
Yep.
Little homebrew here or what?
Nope, it's straight waterless wash.
Okay.
Just a different container.
Different bottle.
Different bottle, yeah. Still waterless wash though.
I was like, no, educate me. He was like, yeah, it's just a convenience store.
So clean. So clean.
It's like the best place.
Wawa is pretty
I've
clutch.
been there at like 1 o'clock and 2:20 in the morning.
Yep, that mac and cheese. Does
I don't know about the
good.
mac and cheese.
What?
You just lost the point in her book by saying you don't like Wawa mac and cheese.
Hold on. I like everything else. I think the mac and cheese is just a little bit too powdery.
It's alright, it's alright. We'll get through this.
You get one pass.
I eat the quesadillas and everything else there, so
I literally get chicken tenders and mac, like steady.
Morgan's favorite drunk snack.
Yeah.
Mac and cheese from Wawa.
I mean, don't.
Alright, so this thing looks killer. Absolutely killer. For just a quick wash, you know, engine bay detail. Can't wait to mob around now that we're all cleaned up. But like I said, what's this room? This is the showroom? No, showroom.
Showroom delivery.
Showroom delivery room. So this is where when your car's done, Wergs brings it on in here and presents it to you. Takes some pictures in front of the logo. And this thing looks weirdly clean, cleaner than it's probably ever been at any point in its life. We just go, is he done with us? I was like, close the office door. I'm like, oh, he's over it.
We're just done.
Yeah. This is rad. Now my car's nice and clean, ready to go do some Florida
Ready
things.
to enjoy Florida.
Yeah.
Clean car, Florida life. Good.
All right, so we're out here. It's 4th of July. We hear fireworks all over the place, but we're gonna cruise this thing a little bit. Wergs is in the M3, and then just grabbing some fuel real quick, and I think we're gonna head down to like Siesta Key and just do some cruising through Florida. It's nice down here, I can tell you that. It's very nice down here. Yeah, so we're at a car show now in a mall. That's all I know about it. What's the name of it? Do you know the name of it?
Tampa's finest.
Oh, so we're about to see the finest of Tampa here. Let's see if it really is the finest or not. So we're inside now, and this is the inside part of the show. Outside was Tampa's finest, that's for sure. We're just checking out what's on display inside the mall, and it's actually pretty cool how they have it in here and how they have it laid out. But here's the 240. Forgiato Blow. What
Seems like a nice guy.
interesting character. Got cut short at the end there, but Morgan and I drove back from Florida, and on the way back I actually took on some damage on the Cadillac. On the highway there were trailer pieces laying in the road, so I just picked the Cadillac up from the body shop yesterday. It has a brand new bumper, repainted the hood, new windshield, so we're good to go there. But there's gonna be some more Florida stuff coming from us as time goes on, and I'm really excited to show you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that little Florida video. It was a great trip, and I feel like we kind of just got lost in the moment, and I feel like that's what happens sometimes. You get lost in the moment and you're not always carrying the camera around with you and things like that. And I mean, it sucks when I'm like trying to edit a video, but then at the same time I'm not really mad about it because of the memories that we make and all that stuff, you know, the experience of what we're doing. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Shout out to Brandon for letting us crash with him for the week, and washing the Cadillac and all that. So subscribe to the channel, guys. Smash the like button on this video, and we'll see you in the next one.